Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku question on July 9, 2022. 3-star Sudoku. 4th row, on 6th row, on 7th row, 8th row, on 10th row. We got 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Third grid, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 5, 8. Column H, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Third grid, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column I, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 4, 6. Fifth row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Fifth grade, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column I, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Fourth row, column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Third row, and the column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, that column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth grade, then column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 10th row and 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, only one number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 8. Column B, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 8th row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Fourth row, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 6. Column I, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column B, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column I, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column I, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 8th row, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column G, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column E, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column E, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 8. Column E, column F, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column F, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.